Hi, Deborah and I are here to talk to you about our event that's happening on Saturday. It was going to be at the Penthouse at 1 East Avenue, but we are actually really excited about doing it virtual now, that we can do this right now. And Deborah's going to talk about the event.
So what we're going to do is Deanna and I are going to be doing our makeup and having a conversation. We're going to talk about the history and how we got to where we are today, 30 years worth. And so at the time, we're going to ask you to type in your questions, and it's going to be more interactive. And that's all we know so far. So
Well, we're also going to just talk about where we, started 30 years ago and where we've gotten to today, and really what the Tim movement is about. And the Tim Makeup Company is, why is she laughing right now? The Tim is the acronym for This Is Me. And Deborah and I are really excited to talk to you about this and to do our first virtual event. So please join us if you would love for some entertainment and to be uplifted and feel great. Join us at 12 o'clock noon on Saturday on Facebook Live
and Instagram.
Yeah, see you
then.
Saturday.